How to add transition in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. You'll find square shaped button with white color on it at the end of the video and at the front. Simply click on it. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Simply select any transition you want, blur, basic, anything. After you have clicked on the transition you want, you'll find seconds option. Click on how much second you want. Right to the left, slide it. After you're done, click on tick mark located at bottom right corner of your screen. And then you're good to go. Your transition will be added. After that, you can simply save your video. This is how to add transition in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.